How's it going?
Not bad.
Today, Jamie's family show, the excuses stop. Yes, it's very difficult, guys. Initial reaction is to give him a big hug. Graham said to be strong. Jamie says he wants to change. Tell us what it's been like being with him.
It's a nightmare. Really. Whenever he kicks off, it's like he does his scream and shout at me, and I'm just not sure what he's going to do and what he's actually completely capable of.
What do you do?
Well, I try to defend myself, but half the time I just give up. Shut up.
Physically?
Yeah.
What's he done?
Oh, he's hit my arm, hit my leg, grabbed me around the throat. He's pushed me into walls.
Do you worry about your baby? And I'm being serious because this is the crux. Absolutely.
Yeah, I've already said, basically he's got to sort it out or I'm leaving. I'd rather shoot on
Because do you know the worst
broken
part
heart
about
than
this
a
story?
violent one.
He could have hurt his unborn child.
Yeah.
Do you understand that? When she was pregnant. What do you want to say to him?
Just basically that either sort it out or I'm going. Really? And that I'd rather her come from a broken home than a violent one. No matter how much I love you, I want the best for her.
Why haven't you thanked me? You haven't liked anything I've said to you. Why haven't you thanked me?
So I don't want to keep losing on something.
Jamie to upset you.
He said a few things.
No, he hasn't, Jamie.
Yeah.
Put a stool in a restaurant. Not like, oh,